Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? So today, I'm going to talk about pag-ibig. Hindi po love life, kundi pag-ibig fund of the Philippines. I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual pag-ibig account if you're an OFW. So let's proceed. Punta po tayo sa Google. Then let's just put pag-ibig fund. Then you have to go to pagibigfund.gov.ph. Wag po dun sa pagibigfundservices.com. So you just have to click here. Okay, then click virtual pag-ibig at the top. Then you have to click create account. Then press continue. So there are 3 ways to create virtual pag-ibig account. First, via your loyalty card plus. Second is through the nearest Pag-ibig Fund branch. And the third is account creation for OFWs. So, click nyo po yung account creation for OFWs. Just click here. And these are the requirements in order for you to create a virtual Pag-ibig account. Kailangan alam nyo po yung Pag-ibig MID number nyo. Then you have to put your member's last name, first name, and middle name, as well as your date of birth. So, if wala po kayong record ng Pag-ibig MID number nyo, based from my experience, it's better if you will just send them an email. They are very responsive, so send them an email through their email address. Then just give them a valid ID. Give them a copy. Just scan it and give them a copy of your valid ID together with your email. Then after that, you have to proceed. They will give you the OTP sent to your mobile phone or email address. OTP is the one-time PIN. Then you have to click proceed. So after that, you will be asked to give the following information. First, country of assignment, email address, 3 security questions, mother's maiden name, and place of birth. You have to upload a photo of your passport also, and 2 valid primary identification cards. You have to upload your picture holding at least 1 identification card you submitted. Then, receive an SMS confirming that you have successfully created your virtual Pag-ibig account. It will be activated within 3 days. The activation email will be sent through the email that you gave, and then they will give you a temporary password for it. So ito po yung itsura ng virtual Pag-ibig account. Sa home, you will see the latest updates sa Pag-ibig Fund, as well as the news. Then sa products, you will be able to see your regular savings and MP2 savings. It will be from beginning till end. Then you will be able to see your housing loan if you have, your multi-purpose loan, and if you have loyalty card, you can link your loyalty card plus account here. I just asked the embassy Pag-ibig branch, and they told me that you can only apply for loyalty card in the Philippines. And here you can also pay online. You can pay online in your regular savings, your MP2 savings, and if you have some loans, you can also pay through your virtual Pag-ibig. And lastly, there is a chat icon here where you can send all your concerns to them. That's it. Thank you.